So as we all know, the presidential elections are already coming next Monday, and then almost likely all of us will already have their own presidential goals that they want to vote. So for me, my presidential goal that I think that I would personally go for is Miriam Defensor Santiago, because Miriam Defensor Santiago has the qualities has qualities that are similar to me. So first is dedication. We have seen her dedication as a senator by passing bills and being elected in the International Judiciary Board. And then for her dedication will show her passion for the people. And I also like Miriam because she's the voice of the youth. I want, in my term as the Secretary for Internals, I want to be the voice of the student body when they have concerns to the student council. Through my face-to-face, I want a student consultation and servicing orientation so that for involved CP. And then I would also like that instead of having people not being heard of, I want them to be heard because as my term last year as a batch representative, I really consulted people whenever I made decisions about the batch. That's why Miriam Defensor Santiago is my presidential candidate for the general elections this 2016. The college issue that I would like to address when I will be seated as the next Secretary for Internal Affairs will be the stealing or theft of gadgets in the student lounge in the Tambayan area. So for my plans to address that issue, I will be coordinating with your IFA President, Kyle Nasilo, to monitor the installment of CCTVs in our college. So you might be asking why monitor only when we can buy CCTV cameras. We cannot actually buy CCTV cameras because they're really expensive, but we can ask the CP admin to shoulder the expenses as long we will just need to monitor the progress of this installation. And then I would also like to address the pest in the student lounge because dengue is already prevalent, especially during rainy seasons. Kung ulam ako, siguro ano ako, wait lang. Siguro kung ulam ako, I would be a siomai. Kaya bibili ko kasi yung siomai. Tapos yung siomai kasi parang ano siya, very distinct lang. Tapos pag makikita mo sa siomai yung